Today, I'll show you how to fix the sum view in Tableau. If you've been working with Tableau, you might have encountered a situation where your data defaults to a count or average when what you really need is a total sum. This can be a bit frustrating, especially when you're striving for accurate data representation. But don't worry, it's a straightforward fix, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, let's identify the issue at hand. When you're working with your data in Tableau, you'll see what's called a measure pill on your rows or column shelf. These pills are essentially representations of your data fields. They can be green, indicating a continuous field, or blue, which signifies a discrete field. For the purpose of fixing the sum view, we're focusing on the green measure pills. These are typically the ones that deal with numerical data, which is where you might see the problem arise. Now, once you've located your green measure pill, it's time to make sure it's set to the correct aggregation. This is where the magic happens. Go ahead and right-click on that green measure pill. A context menu will pop up. This is where you'll find the option to change how your data is being aggregated. Hover your mouse over the option labeled Measure. You'll see a list of different aggregation methods such as count, average, min, max, and of course, sum. What you want to do is ensure that sum is selected. By choosing sum, you're telling Tableau to display the total sum of your data rather than counting entries or averaging them. And there you have it. With just a couple of clicks, you've fixed the sum view in Tableau. It's a simple adjustment, but it makes a world of difference in how your data is presented and interpreted. Remember, getting to know these small yet powerful features in Tableau can greatly enhance your data visualization skills. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Always double check your measure settings whenever you add a new data field to your worksheet. This ensures that your data is accurately represented right from the start, saving you time and potential headaches down the line. To recap, all you need to do to fix the sum view in Tableau is identify the green measure pill you're working with, right-click to access the measure options, and select sum. This will ensure your data is aggregated correctly, giving you the total sum you're looking for. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful in resolving any issues you've faced with sum views in Tableau. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, happy analyzing.